1 2 3 4 4 ruled copy. Okay, 4 ruled copy. Okay, you can see these lines, the red line, the blue and the red line. Okay, first line, second, third and the fourth. Okay, as you can see in the middle part, I'm zooming it out. In this middle part, this blue part, we write the small letters, not the capital letters, the small letters. How to write the small letters I will show you in a straight way, not in a slant way today. Okay, this one is straight and this one is the slant one. Okay, so today I will write the straight one. Okay, let's see. We start from here, up, down, up, down and up, and this part will just remain in between this line. Okay, like this. Let me write it again. A, write slowly first like this, and the B, up, down and up like this. You can see it's straight, very straight. The B again, and the C, up. Okay, this one is C. So let's start writing the total alphabets. You see, not right. I am using one fountain pen. Okay, you can use any pencil like 4B, 2B or extra dark pencil, that is good. Okay, let me write something with the pencil. I will show you. So this one is the pencil I have, and this one is the art line extra dark pencil. Okay, you can use this or any extra dark pencil of any brand. Hold it like this, start from here, up, down, up and down and up. Okay, it's very light, you can't see, so I am writing with this fountain pen. Okay, same thing, up, down and up. Okay, this one is the basic structure of A, and the B, up, down and up. Few people will just say you, or I have seen many YouTube videos, they will show you the strokes, the basic strokes of B. They will show you like this, plus like this equals to B. But you know, this process is totally wrong. No one teaches like this. In YouTube videos, many YouTube videos you will see like this, or like A. Okay, I'm showing the A. They will show you like this, plus equals to A. Okay, literally it's correct, but if you want to learn like this, you will take much time and you will not learn correctly. For learning correctly, what to do, you have to just see the up and down stroke. Remember, in every alphabet there are two types of stroke. One is up and one is down. You see the A, up, from here down, up and down and up. There are no extra steps for straight cursive. Up, down and up. You can also write B like this. This one is another style. or like this. Okay, I've shown you. You can also write like this, normal. Okay, normal one. Try to maintain this height. Okay, when you will write like B, T, L, this will touch the header. Okay, in my previous videos I have said about these lines. I am saying it again. This first line one is called header, and the last line is called baseline. Baseline or base, and these two blue lines we call it the X height. Okay, this determines the shape and structure of the alphabets even when you are writing on a white sheet. Okay, when we write on a white sheet, we just do this through our eyes and our imagination. Okay, it is the later stage, but for the beginners this one is the process. I am writing the B again. You can see how slowly I am moving. Hope you can follow and write like this. Try to write in a straight line. Okay, you can see the straight line, and this one I am writing to show the difference between the slant one. This one is a slant B. You can see the difference between these two. Okay, so anyone who wants to write straight, you can write like this, and who wants to write slant, maintain the angles. I have many videos I have made, and I will make more videos on this. Okay, let's go on the next alphabets, and please don't skip the video. I again say to all of you, because I am making this video very hard for all of you who can't take online classes or anything, and from YouTube videos it's very hard to learn, and I am trying to make it easier for you to write. Okay, step by step I am writing, but you have to follow the video and follow my all total video. एंड अभी मैं हिंदी में फिर से बोलता हूँ कि आज जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ ये एकदम नॉर्मल स्ट्रेट राइटिंग है, जो एकदम बिगिनर के लिए है. आप प्लीज़ वीडियो को स्किप मत कीजिए, वरना आप सीख नहीं पाएंगे ठीक से मैं कैसे क्या कर रहा हूँ. तो यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ में लोग जस्ट लिख के फिर छोड़ देते हैं, बट आई एम शोइंग यू द प्रोसेस, एंटायर प्रोसेस. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द total alphabet. I am writing in, you see the A. Okay, but this one is wrong. Why? Few people start this line upwards. Okay, like this. It will start like this. It will touch like this, and this will go in this way. It will not touch this line. Okay, like this. You can write like this. This part is most important. Don't touch it here. Okay, it's wrong. Write like this. This is the first mistake people do. Then the B, the C, the D. You see how slowly I am writing, just to make you understand. Let's try the D again. D is the combination of C. Okay, okay, like this. Touch this line. In this D you have to touch this line. Okay, now the E and the F, and in this F this will touch the baseline. Okay, like this. Make it a cut like here, up, down, and up and down. Okay, to touch the baseline. space. Okay, and now the second style of F, you can also write like this. Just follow it, it will just turn it here. Okay, make it straight up, make it oval shape, straight down, up, and this way. I'm writing it again. Okay, and this way. Now let's write the G. This will also start from here, back, down, up, down. Okay, like this. You can also like write this simple G. If you want like this, you can also write like this, but maintain the shape. Okay, and the H, and in this H you see it will start from here, up, down, and from here it will be a curve right here, lightly curve. Okay, so then it will look good. Up, down, up, and little bit of curve, and make it here. You can also write like this, no worry, but it looks not good. Okay, I like it, and this is the normal one. But few people when this just start, they write like this, but I don't like this. Don't try to like this. ऐसा मत लिखो. Try to write like this. Okay, and now again the H I am writing, you see. Don't apply any pressure on your pen. Okay, from the beginning, don't apply any pressure on your pen or pencil. And this is the I. Leave it same on the half part, then it will look beautiful. If you just join this here, you see it will look different. Okay, try to write like this. This part will end in the middle of this, right? And the J, up, straight down, turn here, touch here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the lines. It will start from the third line, up, down. It will touch the fourth line, turn here. It will touch the second line, and dot in the middle. This one is the J. Okay, and lastly I will write the K. You see it will start from here. Okay, move your hand. Okay, like this. I am writing it again for you. It will start from here, up, just a oval shape down, and like this. And whenever you turn it from here, this part, try to make it an oval shape. Don't make a corner. Don't write in a hurry. Write like this. Slowly make a oval shape, straight down, and like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. This will touch these lines, 1, 2, 3, and there is no use of the line 4. It will just back to these lines, and this part will be half. Okay, half part it will end. I'm writing it again for you. Up, down, and like this. Okay, so this is the paper total. Today I have written about A to K. On the next video I will just continue with the next alphabets. Hope this will help for the beginners who are just wondering how to just learn. थैंक यू, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर इफ़ यू रियली वांट, एंड थैंक यू। चलो बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।